Hi, my name is Gal Volach. I'm the CEO of AgwaFarm, and we've created the first world autonomous home-growing vegetable device. We all wish to eat fresh vegetables that are healthy, clean, and mostly nutritious. And that's impossible with today's supply chains, which are very long. We eat vegetables that are 7 days old. And that's exactly where Agwa changes this. So we have created a device that feeds a family of 4. It has 60 planting holes. It is hydroponic. So the consumer puts 60 of these, which are coconut fiber based, with a seed inside, into the device. 30 days later, the device is full of microgreens, greens, cherry tomatoes, strawberries, whatever you wish to grow in it, and we provide. And from that point on, you eat, you harvest, and it grows again and again, and it replenishes itself. So once you have started the cycle, you will never be waiting for a vegetable again.
What sort of vegetables and herbs do you have?
We have over 30 varieties of greens, cherry tomatoes, strawberries, sprouts. We just launched stevia, and much more coming.
What are the most popular?
The most popular is sage and certain kinds of lettuces, and garden cress. Garden cress is very, very popular as well.
What is that? Watercress?
Like watercress, yeah.
Where does Israel sit in the arena of agricultural technology that something like this comes from Israel and nowhere else?
Well, since conditions in Israel were always pretty hard, we are a desert country, it kind of makes us need to solve these issues. So we started with drip irrigation. We moved into desalination. Today, about 70% of our water is desalinated, and many more agriculture applications come out of Israel because we have a great ecosystem of many companies that deal with many varieties of issues related to agriculture, and that really helps us come up with the most innovative solutions, such as the AgwaFarm.
Do you suppose a product like this has some impact in the image of Israel as a modern country?
Well, I'm sure it would. Did you know that to grow 2 pounds of lettuce would take almost 200 gallons of water? That's crazy. And then all the fuel related to transferring it to the market, and then over 50% food waste. That's unbelievable in today's world. This solves all of it. So I'm sure that it would be appreciated not only by consumers wanting to eat healthy, but also by people that think about our planet. The device today in Israel costs $1,000, and then you subscribe. You get every month your box of capsules, and these capsules would last you for a whole month. So after you've covered the device, it costs you $40 to get greens that usually would cost you anywhere between $100 and $150. So it's not only better quality, it's also more economic. Our website is agwafarm.com. Thank you.